So we're looking at how to do a renovation project. So we've looked at doing everything yourself, managing it yourself. Then obviously the next step is you get somebody in to do it all. I tend to go down this sort of route when it's a really big build. I'm currently converting a house into a couple of flats. It's a big build, it's 2 extensions, it's a loft conversion. You get to a point where you're starting to get outside your own skill set. So it's better just to get someone with sort of knowledge and experience to come in and just take it all from you. So I won't even touch the electrics on this one because I don't want to get in the guy's way. You know, he knows what's when and how kind of thing. So it's just let him get on. The great benefit with the hands off is you agree a price at the start and that's the price at the finish. When you're managing yourself, you know, paying people on day rates, if you're a bit wrong with the job and someone's taken longer than it should have done, you're paying them. Or if they get something wrong and they're having to correct the work again, you're probably paying them still to both correct it and do it again, depending quite how you employ them. But yeah, if you take on a builder, you agree a price at the start and that's the price you pay. It's, I mean, they'll come to you and say, "Hi, Chris, yeah, we need to talk about that. That's different." And you go, no, the plans are that. So sometimes you have to be hardball with them and say, no, we agreed a price, and unless it is something significantly different, if something cropped up, I'm struggling to think what it could be, but yeah, if something massive cropped up, they find a bomb in the garden they've got to get rid of, or they found some asbestos. Say maybe they found some asbestos that nobody knew about, then yeah, that could prompt, we didn't know about that, you didn't know about that, we couldn't know about that, so the extra you need to wear, and then you can have a conversation with your builder about that. But yeah, being hands off is quite nice because it gives you the freedom. You still go and inspect the site on a regular basis, make sure they're doing everything to a decent sort of schedule and they're doing it to a decent standard. This is where the training comes in that we spoke about earlier on in the course, that you can look at what a builder's doing and know it's right. Are they using enough brick ties? Are they putting the insulation in the cavity? Is the breather membrane on the roof? And so on and so forth. So the knowledge is good to have because then you've got confidence in yourself and in what the builder's doing, and you know you can rely on them. It's in the early days of this job, I used to go down to the site every day. It quickly became apparent the builder was good, he was doing me a good job, he was doing everything correctly, and I only go twice a week now. I won't go less than that, but yeah, hands off gives you the freedom, and it gives you a degree of financial sort of surety that the price you've agreed is the price you pay. So it's yeah, again, it's one of those horses for courses things. It depends on your time, experience, knowledge, skill set, you know, which is the best for you. Well, I hope that was useful. See you on the next one. Bye-bye. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thanks. See you on the next one.